Welcome to Mogra Padasalai for competitive exam. Today we are going to see about simple interest. First, let us see simple interest is equal to PNR divided by 100. This is the formula to calculate simple interest. Now let us see what is P, N and R. P is nothing but principal amount and N is number of years and R is rate. How much time will it take for an amount rupees 450 to yield rupees 81 as interested at 4.5% per annum of SI simple interest. Let us now first rewrite the given data. The amount is principal amount is equal to rupees 450 to yield rupees 81. Simple interest is equal to 81 as interested at rate is equal to 4.5% per annum. Asked N is equal to what? How much time? Here we know it is simple interest. In simple interest we have P, N and R. Time in the sense number of years. Therefore we have to find what is N. Okay. Let us rewrite the formula. Simple interest is equal to PNR divided by 100. Value of P is equal to 450. We rewrite here. Simple interest is equal to 81. P is equal to 450. Number of years we have to calculate. R is equal to 4.5 divided by 100. Okay. We cross multiply. 8100 is equal to 450 into N into 4.5. So let us calculate N is equal to 8100 divided by 450 into 4.5. 8100 divided by 45 into 45. We consider this 450 is equal to 45 into 10. If you multiply 10 into 4.5, it comes 45. You can consider 9 5 times 900. Again 9 5 times 100. 25 is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 years. Let us solve other problem in simple interest. A sum of 12,500 amounts to rupees 15,500 in 4 years at the rate of simple interest. What is the rate of interest? First let us write what are the given datas. Given datas are sum of rupees 12,000 to 15,000. The amount 12,500 becomes 15,500. Therefore simple interest is equal to 15,500 minus 12,500 is equal to 3,000. And this is a capital amount, so we can write it as principal P is equal to 12,500 and 4 years given. Therefore N is equal to 4 years. And then we have to calculate rate. What is the rate of interest? So we have given with SI, P and then we have to calculate R. Let us write simple interest formula. SI is equal to PNR divided by 100. We can substitute these values. SI is equal to SI is equal to 3000 and then value of P is equal to 12,500 500. Value of n is equal to 4 years. We have to calculate R. $3,000 into 100 divided by 12,500 into 4 equal to R. Let us cancel it. 1 times 7 225 0 25 la 5 times 30 times 1 times 6. Therefore R is equal to 6%.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.